Alright guys, so OnePlus is once again back and they are once again smashing through all the records. A lot of innovation is happening in the smartphones and OnePlus is leading the way. Also guys, if you are a OnePlus fan and want more OnePlus videos, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. So guys, when it comes to battery and especially the charging speeds, OnePlus has always been on the top of the food chain and has always put Samsung and Apple to shame. This time OnePlus has gone not one but two steps ahead of everyone, as the OnePlus 10 series will pack a whopping 125 watts of fast charging. 125 watt guys, this is almost double than the fast charging present on current mainstream smartphones. The OnePlus 9 Pro sports 65 watt of fast rapid charging and is capable of filling the 4500 mAh battery from empty to full in about 30 minutes. With the double faster charging, we can expect the charging time to be cut in half, so it would mean that we would be able to charge from 0 to 100 in about 15 to 20 minutes. This is worlds faster than any other current mainstream smartphone. The battery capacity on the OnePlus 10 Pro will be of 5000 mAh, and with the 125 watts of fast charging, it could be the smartphone to make you forget about charging. 15 minutes on the wall and you are good for one day. The big concern with this much high voltage being pumped is the heat issue, which I don't think will be that big, but the bigger issue will be the battery degradation after repeated charging cycles at 125 watts. This much voltage being pumped surely won't be doing any favors for the long-term battery health. According to Oppo, you will lose around 20% of the battery capacity after 800 charge cycles. So around 1/5 of the battery will be lost in 2 years or so, given you are a very heavy user. If you intend to keep your smartphone for 5-6 years, then likely you will reach 50% of battery health and then likely you will have to get it replaced. Is it a worthy compromise for 125 watt of fast charging? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to know about how the OnePlus 10 Pro will look like, check out my previous video from over here. As for wireless charging, we don't know that if it will also be getting a bump up in speed or not, but 50 watt is still much more than what competition is providing, so I don't think that they will be going any faster on the wireless front, and they would also like to save the wireless upgrade for a future flagship, but at this point it's pure speculation. We will know more about the wireless charging speeds of the 10 Pro in the coming weeks and months. It's also not only the OnePlus 10 Pro which is getting the 125 watt of fast charging, as all of the Oppo subsidiary companies are getting the same technology, including the Realme GT2 Pro, Oppo Find X4 series, Oppo Reno 8 Pro and other smartphones under the BBK umbrella. So technically this is not OnePlus's technology but Oppo's. Still, this is breaking records for the fastest charging mainstream smartphone. This year there will be no T-series phone for the OnePlus 9, but the OnePlus 9R will get a 9RT which will be releasing soon, and the OnePlus 10 series is expected to be launching in March of 2022. And guys, as of now, this is all the details we know about the OnePlus 10 Pro. I sure will cover every detail about the 10 Pro, so for that make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up for that 125 watt of crazy insane fast charging. You can also ask me stuff on my socials. And with that being said guys, thanks for watching.